Hi everyone, on this first blockade Battlefront video, all talk about camcorder helicopter. Is it really worth it? Well, I'll start with money. It's pretty cheap, only 5,000 credit, making it easy to get. Well, now we will begin with, is it really strong? Well, at mast 1 it can do up to 16 wave of boss rush, but after mast 25-50 it's depend on skill. It can do up to 26 wave of boss rush. At mast 1 he get 150 DMG per rocket, so 600 DMG. For every shot, so 2 shot is 1200 DMG with a 5 or more cooldown. Can buy upgrade in shop. It can buy an armor, and this armor will give 1000 to 150 horsepower, and a cannon and stun gun. The cannon deal 200 damage per orb, so 2 orb make 400 DMG, and 1 shot deal for 100 DMG. Well, now let's talk about mast 25. At mast 25 every damage get to time stronger and let you buy copter upgrade and jetpack booster and fly recharge faster. At mast 50 you get to time less cooldown. Now let's talk about the hated and only one nerf. Well, camcorder helicopter get nerfed really quickly against high health boss because of his flight duration. When it stop you just can't do anything and just shoot missiles like a victim that is trying to fight back. His biggest fear is slowly getting towards him, and his HP are low. And Astro upgrade only come at Astro Tech 2, but we will talk about Astro Tech in another vid. Well, for me, camcorder helicopter really worth it, making it one of the best beginning unit of Cam Armada. Well, see you guys in next vid. I'll let you watch how I cook this. Well, it's just at wave 23 where I die BC. I've been AFK for a while.